Hello everybody, welcome to our channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to manage app permissions on your VIVO X300. If you want to manage any app permissions or permission, I'll show you how to do it easily. Open up your settings, go down here to apps, app manager, and look for the app you want to adjust permissions. Let's make a Facebook as an example. So basically, alright, no permissions required. So Gmail, for example. Yeah, as you can see, I have permissions for the Gmail. So basically, open up the permissions settings, and here you can see what permissions are allowed and what are not allowed. So notifications, if I want to disallow them, I just click allow notification, turn it off, and as you can see, it is not allowed right now. And to allow it, you'll need to allow only while using the app or ask every time, whatever you prefer. Notifications, allow notifications, microphone while using the app, and the phone, allow. So basically that's it. So thank you for watching and subscribe for more.